Hey YouTube, I'm back. Another product review. Some fender bags for my 2015 Honda Foreman Rubicon. Had a problem, I just didn't have enough storage space in it to carry waters and stuff for long rides and stuff, but I didn't want to deck it out with one of those big old monster bags and stuff. So anyhow, I ordered these. They were like 20 bucks. Anyhow, I'm going to install them and tell you what I think about them. So it just comes in these nice little plastic bags. Slide them out. From ATV Logic. And they fit just like perfectly in that little crevice right there. And there it is there. That wasn't hard. And it looks like it's gonna have plenty of storage. Oh yeah, you could easily fit 3 or 4 water bottles in there. Sidearm, whatever. Oh, that's cool. Didn't show that online, but it even has Velcro straps inside the pouch to hold whatever you're gonna hold in there. Oh, that's cool. Also has real nice heavy duty pull zippers on it. Nice heavy duty zippers. They're not chintzy at all. Those look like they'll hold up really well. And they got nice zipper pulls on them so that you can handle them with gloves or whatever. I may replace those with some paracord just to be on the safe side. But yeah, nice piece. So it's awesome. Well, yeah, I'm gonna get the other one installed. I didn't even notice this when I installed the other one, but it actually has Velcro with double-sided tape on it on the back of the bag, so you can actually glue it to your bike if you want to, but I don't see a need for that at all. These things are nice and tight, and the way they fit on the fender indentations here on this bike is going to work just fine. And there it is there. And that's what they look like installed. Like I said, they're completely out of the way. I mean, I guess if you had another rider on the back, your spouse or whatever, you know, they might kind of be in the way then, but you know, then again, if you're gonna have someone riding on the back, you're gonna get one of those rear bags with a seat and all that, and then you'll have more storage and won't need them. But these could also be installed up here as well. I may even get a third one and put it right down through here. But anyhow, I'm gonna go out on a ride today, fill these things up with gear and stuff. But I mean, these things they're in there. They're not going anywhere. I got them strapped, you know, through the luggage rack on both sides, so that it kind of equals it out, keeps it where it can't go anywhere. And then down here, just through the pegs there. Well guys, I'm going to attempt to fit all of this into those saddlebags. 4 liters of water, 2 Gatorades, and a jerky in the bike, just in those bags. See how it works out. And there it is, guys, all stowed away. I got my jerky, 2 bottles of water. I don't know if you can see that in each one, and in the top one, a Gatorade, all stowed away. You know, it's kind of in my way a little bit. They kind of stick out a little bit now. Anyhow, I'll try it, see what I think. My final thoughts on the ATV Logic fender bags. All in all, I think I'd give them like about a 6, 7 out of 10. The bags are okay. They hold a lot of stuff. I mean, one is definitely enough. But I had one failure. This is my one that failed. See, it ripped off right there. And yeah, I had them mounted here on the back of the bike, as you saw before. I didn't like them back there. They're kind of in the way. So what I did is I went and mounted it up here like it shows in the description on Amazon for them, and they work great up there. They're completely out of the way. I can easily get to my brake, feet are in a normal position, nothing's hitting them. A lot better setup right there. And yeah, if I do it all over again, I'd only buy a 1, not 2. This one's holding up really well. I haven't had any problems with it. The other one, I had a rider on the back, and I think she might have messed it up. Either that, or maybe it got hit by something, and that's what broke it. Or all the mud and everything that was on my bike, maybe that broke it. So as far as, like I said, I give it about a 7. I think sitting over here, it's going to have a lot better chance of not getting hit by anything. It's out of my way. And I wouldn't want to have 2 of them because I still have this good waterproof panel here to put stuff in. And normally I put my wallet, my car keys and stuff in there. So I don't think I'm going to get another one. I'm just going to go with the one I've still got that's in good shape. But like I said, I still like it. It's perfect. I mean, honestly, 2 bottles of water and a Gatorade is plenty. Honestly, 1 bottle of water and 1 Gatorade is probably enough for most of your daily trail rides. But I mean, if you're gonna go with more stuff, you're gonna get bigger bags for longer trips. But anyhow, I just wanted to give you my final thoughts on it. If this one breaks, would I go out and buy it again? Yeah, I probably would. If I couldn't sew it up or anything. But I mean, this thing came back from being completely mudded out. I pressure washed the whole bike off and all that. Yeah, pretty good, except the pressure washer etched my plastics, and I'm hoping that'll be able to buff out. If not, thanks for watching, and there'll be a link down in the description to my Amazon link where you can purchase these ATV Logic bags. They're like 20 bucks. Free shipping with Amazon, whatever, and I really appreciate if you use that link when you bought them, so I get a little kickback, help to support this channel, and help to get you guys some more videos. So anyhow, SoCal Sniper signing off. Thanks for watching. See you next time.